my name is Ivy Lesser and welcome to my science project. Today we are going to investigate to see which takes up more space, hot air or cold air. And we are going to do this by using balloons, 4 balloons, ice water, boiling water, and we are also putting a couple of balloons in the refrigerator and the freezer. And we are going to see whether the balloons expand or they contract. Brain freeze. Anyway, so first I had put a balloon in the freezer about 30 minutes ago. I recorded all the measurements of the balloons using a tape measure, and I recorded them on a piece of paper. So I'm going to take this balloon out of the freezer and I'm going to quickly measure it before it changes shape, before it changes size. So before, this balloon was it was 19 and a half before, and now the balloon is actually 19 inches. Okay, so it got smaller. So I will record the new size after it came out of the freezer. The next balloon that I made was put into the refrigerator. And I'm going to take it out of the refrigerator and quickly measure it to see if it changed size. So this balloon was originally 20 3/4, and now it is 20 inches and a quarter. So I'm going to record that down. Now I can toss it to the side. Another balloon that I had, which is this red balloon over here, is right outside the refrigerator. When I measured it before, it was 20 and a half inches. And this remains at room temperature. So I'm going to assume, or my hypothesis will be, that it is the same size. And I am correct. This balloon is 20 and a half inches. So it stayed the same. Now the next balloon that I have to try, I'm going to be putting on a long neck bottle. So I took a root beer bottle and I emptied it out, and I'm going to blow up the yellow balloon, which I didn't have a size for. I will be recording the size as soon as I put it on the bottle. I have to quickly put it on the bottle. Ah! Let's try that one more time. Okay. See if I can hold it. Put it on this bottle at the same time. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to be recording its size without breaking the bottle. And it is 21 1/4 inches. So I'm going to put this in a bowl. I hope that you can see it on the video. And so I'm going to record this down, 21 1/4 inches. And I'm going to be adding boiling hot water to this bowl. And we are going to see what happens to this balloon. Now I'm going to stand back just in case. Now in the hot water, this balloon should expand. I can even see the condensation on the inside of the water vapor and inside the bottle as well. Okay, so now I'm going to try and measure it again. Doesn't want to stand up straight, so I'm not going to force it. Oh, it's hard to measure. So you may want to ask somebody to give you a hand if you can. Okay, this actually opened up a little bit and it became about 22 inches. So it got bigger by about 3/4 of an inch, which I will record. Okay. Now I'm going to take this bottle from the hot water and put it in an empty bowl and fill it. I hope you can see it on the screen. Fill it with freezing cold water. And we are going to watch to see what happens to this balloon. Oy, this bottle just does not want to stay put. So have paper towels ready, guys, just in case. As you can see, not all science experiments are as easy as they look. What you will actually see happening is that the balloon gets slightly smaller. I don't know if you can really tell, but I could see that it got a little smaller being out of the hot water. Now I'm going to measure it again. Without knocking over the bottle. As I said, you may want to ask somebody for help. And now, the new size of this balloon is 20 3/4 inches. So it shrunk from 22 inches to 20 3/4 inches. So our conclusions are that balloons that are heated expand, while balloons that are in cold temperatures contract and get smaller. And that's what happens with particles. They expand in heat and they contract in cold temperatures. So what takes up more space? Heat takes up more space than cold air. So thank you for watching our science experiment. I know you saw some problems, but we made it through and we found our conclusion. So thanks again for watching.